Testing of Hyundai HGN16 air circuit breaker. The basic OCR settings were set according to the request of the customer. For testing, we add a 220-volt AC power supply. At first, we trip the breaker manually. Then we trip the breaker with the help of the UVT. Then we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly. And lastly, we perform a long time delay test and the breaker trips after about 15 seconds. It is now clear that the air circuit breaker is operating successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.